This is why you don't wear red lipstick. You would love, love, love to wear red lipstick, but you don't want to wear it. I know why. I know exactly why you don't want to wear red lipstick. And I'm going to prove it to you. And you're going to leave me in the comments if I was right. You love a red lipstick when you see it on others. You wish you can pull off a red lipstick, but you're afraid. And this is why you are afraid to wear red lipsticks. I have no color on my lips today. I'm not going to do swatches on my lips, but I have 12 swatches. 12 swatches of lip color, and they're all red lipstick. Can you imagine? I own 12 red lipsticks. So that's what it looks like. These are the 12 lipsticks that I own. Now that you have seen all 12 color swatch on my arm, let me tell you why you're afraid of red lipsticks. I'll do a simple little test first, and then we will go into the meat of the whole video so you can now pick a red lipstick that you love and you will wear and you won't have a problem with it. I promise you that by the end of this video, you'll be looking for a red lipstick that you can rock. Red lipsticks have 3 undertones. 3. Everything you use on your face, even your clothes, have a lot to do with your undertone. Some days you realize you're wearing something nice and all of a sudden you feel alive. It's meshing with your undertone. And some days you put something and it's like, yeah, you like it, but not as much. That's the wrong undertone. So we have 3 undertones in red lipstick. And when I say red lipstick, because I'm talking about red lipstick today, that's what I'm addressing. But all lipsticks have undertones. And the 3 undertones are cool, warm, and neutral. Cool, warm, neutral. The cool lipsticks have blue, purple, and sometimes pink undertones. Warm lipsticks have red, orange, or yellow undertones. If you're warm undertone, you want to look for lipsticks with those undertones, red, orange, or yellow. If you are cool undertone, you want to look for lipsticks with blue, purple, or pink undertones. Now, if you are neutral undertone, you know you can wear both warm and cool. Because if you are a neutral undertone, you can wear silver and you can wear gold and they will both look good on you. So you can wear red lipsticks with blue and purple undertones, which is in the cool side, or you can wear the warm undertone lipsticks with the orange, yellow, and red undertones. Hopefully you're still here and you're paying attention, because I'm telling you, when this is done, you will buy the correct lipsticks to match you. On the other hand, I just love all kind of colors. So some lipstick will not look good on me, but I just like the colors. But if you want to fall in the right undertones for the lipsticks, this is the video. And this is where I ask you, please share this video with someone else because it will help them pick the right lipstick. Now, let's move to the next part of that. Remember the swatches. I'll tell you which lipstick they are. They might not be available anymore, but at least you'll have an idea of how to make sure you look for the right undertone. This is the NARS lipstick. It's the pencil one. If you look at it, it has an orange undertone. An orange undertone is warm. The second one is the Revlon Ultra Vinyl Lip Polish. I know that is not available anymore. But if you look at it, it has a red undertone. And red is also warm, but neutral can use it. This one is Estee Lauder. It has an orange undertone. I'm not giving you names of these lipsticks because some of these lipsticks are no longer available. I am just showing you the shades and the undertone so you can pick the right undertone of lipstick for you. This one is Gwen Stefani. This one right here. It has an orange undertone. This is it right here. Orange undertones are in the warm section. This number 5 right here is Wet and Wild. If you look, it has a pink undertone. Hopefully the camera brings it out. It has a pink undertone. This is it right here. Number 6, which is Black Radiance. This one right here. This is Black Radiance right here. It has a bluish purple undertone. If you look at it, you will see it. I'm trying to switch my hands differently so you can see it better. It has a bluish undertone. Number 7, which is a Wet and Wild. And even if when you look at the lipstick, you can see it sometimes, what the undertone is like. This is number 7 right here, and it does have a purple undertone right here. This one right here. Hopefully it is coming through with the camera. Now number 8 is Juvia's Place. I don't know if they still have it, but if they do, it's called Cultured. Because the others, I know I haven't seen them in the store because I check a lot for lipstick. Every time I go to the store, I'm looking at lipstick. But this is Juvia's Place number 8. And if you look at it, the light is not doing it. It has a blue undertone. And if it has a blue undertone, it's on the cool side. Now the next one is Lancome. This is Lancome right here. And Lancome has an orange undertone. Orange undertone comes from the warm side. Hopefully now you can see like the different undertones. Maybe now I'm holding it correctly, right? This is Lancome. The next one, number 10. Number 10 is Tom Ford Rouge. The Lancome one is called Rouge. The Tom Ford is called 16 Scarlet Rouge. And here we go. You see the orange undertone? That is the Tom Ford. Tom Ford and Lancome both have orange undertones. And I just happen to put them next to each other. Number 11 is Juvia's Place. I'm showing you this one. It's a different one. This one is called Cherry Love. This one is this right here, and it has a red undertone, as you can see. If you have a red undertone, an orange undertone, or a yellow undertone, you are on the warm side. You see how close they are to each other? It just happened like that, and you can see why they belong to each other. This is Juvia's Place, the first one with the blue undertone. Just looking at them, you can see the difference. Hopefully you can. Now, the 12th one, which is the last lipstick I swatch, is Wet n Wild. And it is right here, and it has a bluish undertone in person. It looks different on camera, but it has a blue, it has a blue undertone. So if you look at them, you will see. Hopefully they're coming out good on camera. I keep checking to make sure that you can see the orange undertones, the pink undertone, the blue undertone. You see the blue is showing. Now the blue is showing better this way. You can see the slight blue undertone, right? And you can see in the Juvia's Place, the red and in the Juvia's Place, you can see the red undertone. You see how close it is to the orange one, so you can tell. But these are the 12 red lipsticks I have. And now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. I love to do makeup videos. I love to do eyeshadow videos, but every now and then I like to give you these little tidbits of information so you can use it. Now I'm going to finish telling you how you will pick a red lipstick to fit your undertone. If you have cool undertone, you have bluish vein. You will look at your vein to see what color it is. I have a video that I did and I went in detail on how to do that. I will remember to attach it to this video. But if you are cool, you will have bluish veins and you will love silver jewelry because it will look good on you. It will bring a brightness to you. Silver jewelry on cool tones will bring a beautiful, beautiful light to you. Check your jewelry. When you put silver on, check it in the mirror and see how you look. Take it off and then put gold on and see what happens. And then take it off and put one silver, one gold and see which side you are leaning more towards or which one brings the brightness to your face or make your face looks just right. And the other side that don't match will make your face a little darker, because that means it's drowning off your skin tone. So that's another way to know if you're cool tone, you have bluish veins and you have a love for silver jewelry. I will tell you what I am in the end because I know and I did it a while back. Warm undertone, your veins will be greenish and you will love gold jewelry. Gold necklaces, earrings, they will make you pop. They will bring brightness to your face. If you are neutral undertone, you can wear both because neutral is just what it is, neutral. You can get away with silver and you can get away with gold because you're neutral. So either one you can use, and you can use either lipstick and it will still look good on you. Again, 12 lipsticks, different undertones. The same goes for your nude lipsticks. Your nude lipsticks do have undertones. That's why all nudes don't work for everyone. There are different undertones in your lipsticks, your foundations, your concealers, your powders. So when you pick in these things, make sure you know what your undertone is before you buy the product. I have cool undertone with a little bit of yellow in my skin. So when I'm looking for stuff, I don't look for pinks. I usually look for yellow because I have more yellow which is a little bit of warmth, and that balances my face very good. If I go for neutral, that makes me very, very dark. If I go for a cool, like cool, it will make me look ashy. So I go for something with yellow in it so it balances my skin. My veins are bluish. So that's how I know I am cool. And I love silver jewelry from the time I know myself because it always, always, always just makes me look good. So now I have my silver jewelry on. I'm going to put 2 shades of lip color on. One on the left, one on the right. And I'm picking 2 different undertones so you can see the difference. I will pick a blue undertone and I'll pick an orange undertone so you can see the difference. But because I love all types of colors, I have a variety of different undertones. Not that they all work for me, but I put them on just because I just love it. So remember, pick your red lipsticks or any of your lipsticks according to your undertone. I know right now you are going to love picking a red lipstick and you're going to wear it and you're going to wear it well and you're going to love it. And you're even going to use a liner to even make it better, right? So these are your shades. Go out there and get you a red lipstick and rock it. Correct undertone and then rock it. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean with the 2 lipstick. I'm going to take the Juvia's Place, which has a blue base, my left, which will be your right. It's a liquid, so I don't want to put too much. But I just want you to see what I mean. I haven't went outside my lip. I'm making it messy for a reason. I want you to see what it looks like. This is the Juvia's Place. It has a blue undertone. So I'm in the right color right here. Now I'm going to take the Lancome. And it's a rouge, but because of the undertone, you'll see the difference. Okay, so now I have 2 lipstick on. I have Juvia's Place, which has a blue base. And I have Lancome. It is a red. It is called Rouge. And it has an orange base. Can you see the difference with these 2? Red, which has a bluish undertone. Take a look. Red, which has an orange undertone. Both of them I have on. Tell me what you think in the comments. Will you now be able to go out there and buy the correct lipstick that matches your undertone, whether it is red or any other color, but mostly red, because a lot of people are afraid of red lipstick. And they're afraid of red lipstick because they're buying the wrong undertone lipstick. Take a look. Juvia's Place, Lancome. This is what I want you to know. When you look for lipstick, remember they have different undertones. Your undertone goes with the correct lipstick. If you're cool, remember, go with purplish, bluish undertones. If you're warm, you want to go with orange, red, and yellow undertones. And if you're neutral, you can rock both. I'm not neutral, so you can clearly see which one doesn't belong, right? I'm not neutral, so you can see which one works for me. You can see the cool works for me better than the warm. I hope this was very helpful to you. If it was, please share it with somebody else. And I appreciate you always. Now, until I see you and you see me, happy shopping for the right undertones in all your makeups and including your clothes. Bye.